Next time when you will visit the Dal Lake, you will now find the Uber Shikara here in the famous Dal Lake of the Kashmir Valley. Mainly the tourists visiting to the Kashmir Valley had biggest problem with getting the shikaras in the Dal Lake, and also there was lot of bargaining between the shikara riders and the shikara walas in Srinagar. But Uber is now providing this service, and any tourist from any destination in the country can plan his Shikara trip in the Kashmir and particularly in the famous Dal Lake, and then can enjoy the Shikara ride. We have Ruchika with us. She will explain that what is the initiative which has been started by the Uber and what kind of help it can provide to the tourists here in the Dal Lake. Kindly let me know that Uber is particularly doing the things for the profit, but is this initiative other than the profit and for the tourism here in the Kashmir Valley by the Uber?
Well, this is a lot more than just providing our service. First up, we are getting technology to blend with how do you bring traditions of India together. So this beautiful blend of two things will help us provide something that is timeless. When tourists come to Srinagar, there's no trip that's complete without Shikara ride. So by providing this service, this is our effort to ensure we can boost tourism, grassroots tourist workers like the boat riders who would need technological support to ensure they're not spending idle time, they're getting more rides. And at the same time, tourists who come here, they can pre-book their rides 15 days in advance. So if you're booking your flight tickets, your train tickets to be in Srinagar this holiday season, we would recommend that people try booking their Uber Shikara rides through the app, the same that they use to book cab rides in their cities.
In the first so far initiative, how many shikaras you have placed here, and is any plan to expand the service as well as the number of shikaras for the tourists?
Uh, as we start out, in fact, these are first few days that we test out these rides. We're going to iterate and improve and find ways in which we can get more Shikara rides added. We are working with the union here, the Shikara union here, to ensure that we get as many riders, as many of these boats on the platform as possible. As we start out, these are baby steps, but eventually the plan is to really expand it and take it to as many people as possible.
Thank you, Ruchika. So this is a kind of an effort by the Uber. Now you can see on the different ghats of the Dal Lake, you will find the Uber Shikaras, and it will be a convenient and easy for the tourists to book their Shikara and Shikara rides here in the Dal Lake now. With Muzaffar Ashrafani, India Today in Srinagar.